I'm just going to do everything myself. It's crazy trying to find people, and then when you find them, they don't want to stay anyway. A bunch of knuckleheads. Nobody wants to work. Nobody wants to show up on time. Everyone's like, oh, you got to give me more money and stuff, and then maybe I'll think about doing the job you hired me for. People are a joke. Hey, if you've ever tried to build your team, you can probably relate to bringing people on and they're not what you thought they would be, right? And heck, it's hard enough to find people that even want to work in the trades. And I have a lot of thoughts that I've shared in other teachings and things like that about why I think it's so hard for us to recruit people into the trades, but that's not what we're going to talk about today. Today we're going to talk about one of the ways that you can make more money as a contractor through building your team when you have people on your team. See, one of the worst things that we do is we go and we hire all these people, right? And I'm a great artist, by the way. We hire all these people and we go, yay, there's a team and I have a team, but this guy's going this way and this guy's going this way and this dude's going this way. They're all doing their own things because they were trained by the people that they worked for before you, whether they were inside or outside of the home improvement industry. What is incredibly important here is that you have massive unity with your team. Okay? You got to have them focused on one goal, one objection, so that they're all moving, they're all rowing in the right direction. It'd be like getting in a boat and we're all rowing in different directions. That's crazy. But sadly, we drop the ball as owners because we have never taken the time to define what that goal is. We've never taken the time to define how Billy, Joey, and Bobby know how they're succeeding in their job. What does it mean for me to succeed in this position in my company? Guys, until you have total unity about where you're going and how the people in your organization win, you're going to have a much harder time growing your business and making money as a contractor. All right, so listen. Hit subscribe. Get more information. Edit this part because I fucked that up. Okay, 3, 2, 1. So hit subscribe and check out more of our trainings on building your team, making more money as a contractor, and all that good stuff. Because listen, it's not that hard to make money as a contractor when you are absolutely focused. Period. I just said period like I was talking into my phone. Oh my God, that's hilarious. If you want to have success faster in your business, faster than you're going to get here by watching Contractor Fight TV or listening to the podcast and things like that, go to contractorfightclub.com. You'll get access to all of our monthly fight night trainings, all of our past recordings, and you'll actually have a private coaching thread with me. All right, so if you're ready to fast track your business and make a profit a lot quicker and avoid a lot of the pain that so many contractors are going through, check out contractorfightclub.com. It's perfect for the brand new business or for somebody who's doing under $300,000 or $400,000 a year in annual revenue. Contractorfightclub.com.